Are you wondering how to get your new Spa World 2-tier resin steps assembled and ready to use? Stay tuned to find out how to assemble them. Hi, I'm Jake, and in this video, you'll learn how to assemble the Spa World 2-tier resin steps. Before we start, a few important points. Please read the entire user manual to familiarise yourself with the features of this product and take the appropriate safety precautions while assembling these steps. These steps weigh just 5 kilos, so the box is pretty light too. Let's open it up and see what's inside. In the box, you'll find parts A and B, which are the supports, parts C, which are the 2 steps, and then parts D, which includes the brackets, washers, screws, and Allen key. Alrighty, to get started, what we're going to do is grab the step with the rounded part in it, flip that upside down, and we're going to put the support frames into it. When you've got the support frames, check there will be one side of it that has 2 screw holes. This will need to be the inside. What you're going to want to do is, when clicking it in, make sure that the rounded part is actually facing outwards so that it's away from the bottom of the step. That'll be the part that's pointing towards the spar. Then all you need to do is stand on there or put a knee on that and click this in, and then do the same for the other side. Next part, once we've got it upside down here, is to attach the brackets. So all you need to do is grab the back bracket, doesn't matter what way around it goes, sit that on there, grab a washer and a screw, and then use the Allen key to tighten those up. Once we've got that side done, we'll then jump across and do the exact same on the other side. Now that we've got both the brackets attached, we'll flip the steps over and put that final step on. Now you're ready to place your steps by your spa pool or swim spa and put them to good use. Thanks for watching this video. You should now have a really good idea of how to put together your Spa World 2-tier resin steps. For more information, visit the Learning Centre on our website or contact the Spa World showroom near you.